All right, let's dive into this guide for your Class 11 Mathematics Foundation.
Does higher level math ever feel a little, well, abstract and kind of scary? You're not alone.
Well, this course right here is designed to change all that, one step at a time.
It's all about a new way to learn, a friendlier approach, you know?
So instead of just memorizing, we focus on the why. Understanding the logic is what really matters.
The whole idea is for this to feel like a friendly guide through those really tough topics.
Think of this course as your complete math toolkit. We're going to get you fully equipped.
Your entire journey here is built around 11 core topics to get you prepared.
We start with the absolute fundamentals, set theory, functions, the essential building blocks.
And from there, we'll build up to more powerful concepts like permutations and even 3D geometry.
It really is a complete toolkit, giving you that solid grip you need on core math.
So you might be wondering, how does this all actually work? Let's break it down.
The flow is super logical. We start simple, build up, and then apply it for real.
And we use a ton of visuals, so you can actually see the concepts in action.
And here's the best part. You can get started with all this for free.
Yup, it's perfect for beginners, completely free, and you get lifetime access. No catch.
So really, there's nothing stopping you from building up your math skills starting today.
So, are you ready to turn a subject that seems intimidating into